Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS Float Property. And right now we'll be discussing about the float property again. Another use case of the float property, the way you can find it, some places you can find it, they use it to control the mostly they use it to control the block element. It's so important when you understand this. That's why I'm bringing it up in different topics, in different examples. So as you can see right here, you can find every tutorial concerning this in our CSS Clear playlist or CSS Float playlist to be able to follow along easily. Right here, as you can see, this is just a layout. Can you see how it's looking nice, right? Even if we turn this to a mobile view, can you see? When we do like this, when we shrink, everything is looking nice. There's no any problem with our document. So I want to show you what is happening here. Inside our code right here, if you notice very well, we select a column, right? This column, we are giving it float left property and we are giving it border box. So let me show you what is the column. This div element that is containing our word, our UL and LI element is the one we gave it a colon class name, and another second div element that is containing our text right here, we are giving it also a colon. So definitely you should know that this our ULLI elements and all these text right here, all this text content there, both of it is going to have the float left property, because we are selecting this. Let me show you. Because we are selecting our content, we are selecting our column. So as you can see, we are selecting our column. Let's now say, for instance, we remove this float left property. Now let's see what will happen to our document. We are going to see what will happen when I reload. Can you see when I reload? Immediately the city, all these text here, everything jumps to the next line. They stack on top of each other. As you can see, this is the first one that is having our UL and LR, and this is one that is having the content. As you can see, these two divs element now stack on top of each other. But when we give it what? When we give the colon float left, you are going to see when I reload. Can you see when I now reload, everything stack beside each other? And again, there is another use case again. I want you to notice, if you remove this border box sizing of border box, you are going to see what will happen. Can you see what happened again? So you should always note what I'm saying. Anytime you are using the float left, make sure you specify this border box so that your document is not going to destroy. You are going to have something nice. When I reload, can you see everything is looking nice? So that's what I have for you guys today. I want you guys to please practice, because practice makes perfect. Anwar akorede is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.